Hello and welcome to the another video. Today I'm going to discuss all about the Capgemini technical round. What will be the pattern? What are the questions that we will be that the Capgemini is going to ask this time? So don't miss any part of the video, and all useful links I'll be providing you in the description box, so you can go and check out the description box as well as the comment section. Apart from this, if you have not seen if you have not seen the videos of the Capgemini related videos in the previous, like coding question, actual coding question, I have put in the video link in the description as well, so you can go and check out the actual question of the 2026 batch which were asked recently in the Capgemini technical round. Okay, so let's begin with the assignment process and uh, what are the questions, what are the sections that we will be having in this round, that is the technical round, second round of the Capgemini. So let's begin. Before that, lots of these students are having lots of the problems in the communication round. They face a lot of troubles, so don't worry, it will be sorted soon by your college, by the Capgemini. So right now you didn't have anything, just keep practicing for the technical round. Hopefully you will get the mail. So okay, so let's begin with the uh, rounds. What are the sections of this round? So as we know that the first round was the English assessment, that is the communication round, so it is already done for the lots of the students. And if you are watching this for the first time, so you can check out the other videos of our in of the Capgemini related resources in our channel itself. So let's begin with the first round, that is the second round, that is the technical assessment round, and this includes lots of stuffs like in the technical round we will be having coding assignment, cognitive assignment, that is gamified assignment. Okay, so in coding assignment we will be having two questions. I'll be discussing this also in the upcoming slides. So this is the basic uh, flow chart. Okay, so let's begin with the first assignment in the technical assessment, that is the pseudo code. So we will be having 25 questions of the pseudo codes, and let me show you in the image itself. This is the real screenshot of the Capgemini 2026 batch test. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, we will be having 25 pseudo codes, and we will be having 50 questions from the IT fundamentals, like your subjects from DBMS, networkings, and all. So we will be having we will be having 15 question from the IT fundamentals and 25 question from the pseudo codes. So it will be total 40 questions. So this is very important for you all. And most importantly, this is the elimination round. Every round is an elimination round in this Capgemini on campus exam. Okay, so you have to prepare it very strictly. So this is a example of a question, like you can see. This is a question number 25, and this is a real question of the pseudocode. So this type of questions are going to come this time. Okay, after that, there are some instructions you can see, and this is the question that in this screen was so. Okay, so next we will be having the technical assessment progress. After you complete the first round, that is the pseudo code round, and if you qualify, you'll be having the next round, that is the Capgemini coding round, and where we will be having only 40 minutes, and you will be given two coding questions. You have to solve two coding questions. Okay, so the total marks will be allotted as five marks question will be. It may be like two or three split. So you will be having 40 minutes, and you have to solve two coding questions. And this is also elimination. Coding round is also elimination. And from some of the colleges, I got to know that uh, I'm not sure. I'm just telling what I came across from the students, that a few of the students, those who haven't completed the coding round, they haven't solved any question, they also got the mail for the interview. So it's I'm not saying by myself, it's not confirm also, I'm just telling what I got to know from the students. So don't take it uh, like it's not an elimination, but it's an elimination according to the Capgemini. So you have to solve at least one question for the second package. Okay, and if you solve both the question, you are eligible for the third package, higher package that Capgemini is giving. Okay, so this is the second section, that is coding round. After that, we will be having, if you qualify the second round also, so we will be having this third, that is the gamified round, which is let me tell you, which is game-based cognitive assignment. Okay, so here we will be having five sections, and you have five different types of games. Each will be having its own time limit, like 6 minutes, or based on the timer you will be having, and you have to solve questions. So like there are some examples like inductive reasoning, working memory challenge, grid challenge, that is motion challenge, and one more, that is grab challenge. We have four here, and there is one more question, gamified section, you can say. Okay, so I think you might have already heard when you are preparing for this, so you will be having more knowledge about the gamified round. So these are the gamified rounds questions, and let's begin with, if you qualify these all things, if you qualify the coding question, MCQ, pseudo course, and gamified round, so you will be having the interview mail like this from the superset. We are pleased to confirm that your interview with the Capgemini has scheduled for this slot, and this is a previous screenshot of a student. He's shared with us, and if you qualify the interview, you will be having the official offer letter of the Capgemini like this. We are pleased to inform you that candidate has been shortlisted for the position of this. Okay, so this is the full process of this technical round and interview process. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding anything, any section, any part, so you can directly comment down in the comment section. Okay, and you can also check out this. So basically, we have covered everything from including the assignments and all. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe the channel. And if you have not joined our membership, so you can join. It's very minimal, 59 rupees. And if you join, so we will be providing you premium materials for the placement preparation. So yeah, you can go and check out the membership. And thanks for watching. Keep supporting, and we'll be preparing this type of videos further. Thank you all.